Demystifying yoga. The journey begins. Yoga, often perceived as merely stretching and meditation, is an ancient holistic practice that unites mind, body, and spirit. If you're new to yoga or curious about this transformative journey, this comprehensive guide demystifies yoga, highlighting its immense benefits, basic practices, and practical steps to begin your yoga journey confidently. Understanding yoga. Beyond the physical, yoga is far more than physical postures, asanas. It's a philosophical system designed to cultivate self-awareness, balance, and harmony. Originating in ancient India, yoga combines physical movements, breathwork, pranayama, meditation, and ethical living. The proven benefits of yoga's popularity stems from scientifically backed benefits, which include 1. Stress reduction. Yoga significantly lowers cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. 2. Enhanced flexibility and strength. Regular practice improves muscle tone, posture, and overall physical resilience. 3. Improved mental clarity. Yoga enhances concentration, memory, and cognitive function. 4. Emotional balance. Regular practice supports emotional resilience and reduces anxiety and depression symptoms. Different types of yoga. Explained. Yoga comes in various styles, each with unique benefits. Common types include 1. Hatha yoga, perfect for beginners, focusing on basic postures and gentle flows. 2. Vinyasa yoga, known for dynamic flowing sequences synchronized with breath. 3. Iyengar yoga, emphasizes alignment, using props to perfect postures. 4. Yin yoga, features slow-paced poses held for extended periods, focusing on flexibility and deep tissue release. Essential yoga gear for beginners. Starting yoga requires minimal equipment. 1. Yoga mat, provides essential grip and cushioning. 2. Comfortable clothing, allows ease of movement without restriction. 3. Yoga blocks and straps, assist beginners in achieving correct alignment safely. Simple yoga poses to start your journey. Begin with these accessible poses. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana, builds awareness of posture and balance. 2. Downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, enhances strength, flexibility, and circulation. 3. Child's pose, Balasana, offers relaxation and reduces stress. 4. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, strengthens the spine and opens the chest. Breathwork. The foundation of yoga, breathwork, pranayama, is vital for yoga. Techniques such as deep abdominal breathing and alternate nostril breathing calm the mind, energize the body, and support mental clarity. Meditation, finding inner calm. Meditation complements physical yoga practices, cultivating inner peace, mindfulness, and emotional stability. Even short daily sessions significantly enhance overall well-being. How to establish a sustainable yoga routine? Consistency matters more than intensity. 1. Start with short, manageable sessions, 15 to 20 minutes daily. 2. Choose a consistent time and quiet, comfortable space. 3. Gradually extend your practice duration as confidence grows. Avoiding common yoga mistakes. Beginners should avoid these pitfalls. 1. Overexertion. Avoid pushing beyond your comfort zone initially. 2. Incorrect breathing. Always coordinate breath with movement. 3. Skipping warm-ups. Proper warm-up reduces injury risk and enhances effectiveness. The role of nutrition in yoga practice. Yoga emphasizes holistic health. Pairing yoga with a nutritious, fiber-rich diet, including superfoods like acacia fiber, optimizes energy, improves digestion, and enhances your practice. Finding your yoga community. Joining classes or online yoga communities offers guidance, motivation, and camaraderie, making your yoga journey enjoyable and fulfilling. Tracking your progress, documenting your yoga journey with journals, apps, or photos helps track improvements in flexibility, strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Conclusion. Your yoga journey awaits. Yoga is accessible, beneficial, and transformative for everyone. By demystifying yoga, we hope you're inspired and empowered to embark confidently on your yoga journey. Step onto your mat today and discover yoga's profound impact on your health, happiness, and harmony.